before you get too comfortable on that cruise ship, let me stop you right there. Because right now, thousands of passengers are sailing past some of the best experiences their ship has to offer, and they don't even know it. I'm talking about secret activities hidden just out of sight, things you won't find on the front page of your daily planner or even mentioned during announcements. From quiet retreats with jaw-dropping views, to gourmet tastings you can score for free, to exclusive onboard experiences most cruisers never discover until it's too late. These aren't your typical cruise tips. As your cruise pro, I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing 15 hidden cruise activities most people completely miss, including a totally free gem at number 8 that seasoned cruisers swear by. So stick around, because if you skip this, you could be walking right past the best parts of your cruise without ever knowing it. Secret number 1, behind-the-scenes tours. Ever wondered how a floating city of thousands operates so smoothly? Most cruise lines offer behind-the-scenes tours, often for a small fee, that take you into the galley, the ship's massive kitchen, the powerful engine room, the captain's bridge, and even the colossal laundry facilities. It's a fascinating glimpse into the incredible logistics, technology, and hard work that goes into making your cruise seamless. I took a galley tour once and was absolutely astounded by the sheer scale of food preparation, literal mountains of ingredients being transformed into gourmet meals. It gave me a whole new appreciation for every dish I enjoyed later. Secret number 2, enrichment lectures and workshops. Don't just look at the entertainment schedule, dig deeper. Most cruises offer a surprisingly diverse range of enrichment lectures and workshops led by experts. This could be anything from talks on the history and culture of your upcoming destinations to hands-on cooking demonstrations, fascinating wine or spirits tasting seminars, often with a small fee, captivating astronomy presentations, or even introductory language lessons. These are fantastic opportunities to learn something new while on vacation. On a recent cruise through the Mediterranean, I attended a fascinating lecture on ancient Roman history before we even arrived in Rome. It completely changed how I experienced the ruins, bringing them to life with so much more context. Secret number 3, the ship's library and hidden quiet retreats. In the midst of all the ship's excitement, sometimes you just need a quiet escape. Most ships have well-stocked libraries with books, magazines, and often board games, a true rarity these days. But also, look for other lesser-known quiet lounges or observation areas, often with comfortable seating and stunning ocean views, tucked away from the main thoroughfares. These are perfect for reading, enjoying a quiet conversation, or simply enjoying the serenity of the sea. I once discovered a beautifully quiet observation lounge at the very front of the ship, high up. It was rarely crowded and offered panoramic views of the open ocean, my perfect spot to unwind with a good book and a cup of tea. Secret number 4, art auctions and galleries. Many cruise ships host art auctions and feature dedicated onboard art galleries. While the auctions do involve sales, they are often free to attend and can be quite entertaining, with lively, witty auctioneers and a chance to see a variety of artwork, from contemporary pieces to famous reproductions. The galleries themselves offer a peaceful, often elegant, place to browse and appreciate different styles at your leisure. I'm not an art collector, but I once attended an art auction just for the sheer entertainment value. The auctioneer was hilarious, and I learned a surprising amount about different art techniques and artists just by listening to their commentary. Secret number 5, trivia competitions and game shows. For a bit of friendly competition and brain stimulation, always check the daily schedule for trivia contests and onboard game shows. These are usually free to participate in, cover a wide variety of topics, and can be a lot of fun, often with small, amusing prizes for the winning teams. It's a great way to socialize with fellow passengers and show off your knowledge, or just enjoy the laughs. My family and I joined a Name That Tune trivia competition, and while we didn't win, the arguments and laughter over forgotten song lyrics made for one of the most memorable sea day afternoons of the entire cruise. Secret number 6, dance classes. Ever wished you could learn a new dance step or brush up on old ones? Many cruise ships offer free dance classes throughout the voyage, covering everything from beginner salsa and swing to ballroom basics, and even popular line dances. It's a fantastic way to get some exercise, meet new people, have some laughs, and maybe even impress your dance partner later in the evening on the dance floor. I'm certainly not a natural dancer, but I took a beginner cha-cha class on a cruise with my wife, and we had such a blast. We might have stepped on each other's toes a few times, but the joy of trying something new together was priceless. Secret number 7. Specialty sporting activities beyond the main pool. While the main pools are often bustling, many ships have other sporting facilities that are often surprisingly underutilized. Look for dedicated basketball courts, ping pong tables, mini golf courses, rock climbing walls, surf simulators, or even dedicated jogging tracks on the upper decks. These offer a fun way to get active and enjoy the fresh sea air away from the main crowds. On a ship with a rock climbing wall, I saw a shy couple who initially just watched. By the end of the week, they were cheering each other on as they scaled the wall. It was inspiring to see them discover a new, adventurous side of themselves. Secret number 8. Free food tastings and culinary demonstrations. Here's that fantastic freebie I promised. Keep a keen eye on the daily schedule for complimentary food tastings and culinary demonstrations. This could be anything from sampling new menu items being introduced on the ship to learning how to make a signature cocktail or even a regional culinary specialty inspired by your itinerary. It's a delicious way to try new things and expand your palate without spending an extra cent. I once stumbled upon a free gourmet chocolate tasting session. Need I say more? It was a delightful and unexpected treat that easily became a highlight of my day, and I wouldn't have known about it if I hadn't scoured the schedule. Secret number 9. Stargazing on deck. Away from the light pollution of cities, the open decks of a cruise ship at night can offer truly incredible stargazing opportunities. Find a quiet, dark spot away from the ship's bright lights and simply look up. Depending on your location and the time of year, you might see constellations, distant planets, or even the majestic Milky Way in all its glory. Some ships even have onboard astronomy experts who can point out celestial wonders and offer telescopes. Lying on a deck chair late one night, far out at sea, I saw more stars than I'd ever seen in my life. It felt like the entire galaxy was sparkling above me. It was a truly breathtaking and profoundly peaceful experience. Secret number 10. Ship-specific scavenger hunts or interactive challenges. Some of the more innovative cruise lines and youth programs offer ship-wide scavenger hunts or interactive challenges that encourage you to explore different parts of the vessel and discover hidden details or landmarks. These can be a fun way to engage with the ship's unique features, learn its layout, and even meet other passengers as you team up to solve clues. Check your daily program or the cruise line app for details on these less advertised games. My entire family participated in a photo scavenger hunt on one cruise. It took us to parts of the ship we never would have otherwise seen, led to some hilariously awkward poses, and we had a lot of laughs along the way. It was a fantastic bonding experience. Secret number 11. Theme parties and deck celebrations. While the grand theater shows are well advertised, many ships also host smaller, more niche themed parties and deck celebrations that can be a lot of fun and often have a more intimate or specialized atmosphere. This could be a lively silent disco, a throwback 70s or 80s retro dance party, a country music night, or even a festive deck gathering under the stars for a specific holiday. Check your daily schedule for these less promoted, but equally exciting, events. I once stumbled upon a silent disco on the top deck. It looked utterly hilarious with everyone dancing to different music through headphones. Those who participated were having an absolute blast, and it was a unique sight to behold. Secret number 12. Early morning or late night deck walks. For a truly peaceful and contemplative experience, try taking a walk on the outer decks either early in the morning before the crowds appear or late at night under the moonlight. The ship is often wonderfully quiet, allowing you to fully soak in the fresh sea air, the soothing sound of the waves, and the vastness of the ocean in a truly serene and personal setting. It's a fantastic way to start or end your day. My absolute favorite cruise ritual is an early morning walk on the promenade deck as the sun rises over the horizon. It's a moment of pure tranquility, and I always feel incredibly refreshed and ready for the day's adventures afterwards. Secret number 13. Crew talent show. Most passengers flock to the main production shows, but they often miss a truly heartwarming and incredibly entertaining event, the Crew Talent Show or Crew Spotlight Night. This is where the ship's dedicated crew members, from waiters to housekeepers to officers, showcase their amazing singing, dancing, comedy, or instrumental skills. It's a wonderful opportunity to see a different side of the hardworking crew and often provides some of the most genuine and memorable entertainment of the cruise. I always make a point to attend the Crew Talent Show. One cruise, a waiter who usually served U.S. dinner got up and sang an opera aria so beautifully that the entire theater gave him a standing ovation. It was absolutely breathtaking and completely unexpected. Secret number 14, morning wellness classes. Beyond the main fitness center, many ships offer specialized morning wellness classes that are often tucked away in a quiet lounge or even held on an open deck. This could include complimentary sunrise yoga, Pilates, or guided meditation sessions. These serene classes are perfect for starting your day feeling refreshed and centered, away from the usual gym bustle. They're usually led by onboard fitness instructors and cater to all skill levels. On a Caribbean cruise, I joined a sunrise yoga class on the outdoor deck. Practicing poses with the gentle sea breeze and the ocean stretching to the horizon was incredibly peaceful and invigorating, a truly unique way to connect with the sea. Secret number 15, complimentary tech classes. For those who want to stay connected or brush up on their digital skills, many cruise ships offer complimentary tech classes or have a dedicated computer lab with staff available to assist. These classes can cover topics like how to use your new smartphone, organize digital photos, navigate social media, or even get the most out of the ship's app. It's a fantastic, often overlooked resource, especially for those who want to feel more comfortable in the digital world. My aunt was struggling to transfer photos from her phone to her tablet. On a recent cruise, she attended a free tech class, and the instructor helped her in minutes. She was thrilled to learn a new skill and immediately started sharing her cruise photos with confidence. So there you have it, 15 secret cruise activities that most passengers miss. These hidden gems offer unique opportunities for learning, relaxation, fun, and even a free treat or two. Next time you're on board, be sure to delve a little deeper into that daily schedule and explore beyond the usual hotspots. You might just discover your new favorite cruise activity and truly unlock the full potential of your vacation. Ready to uncover the secrets on your next cruise? Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe to Cruise Pro for more insider tips and essential advice for making the most of your time at sea. What's the most unexpected or secret activity you've ever discovered on a cruise? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.